Important. Read the safety data sheet for this product before use. Make sure this service is performed in a well-ventilated area. Caution. Never use a throttle depressor to keep the engine above idle during the service. Add BG 44K Platinum to the fuel tank. For best results, add BG 44K Platinum to a full tank of gas. If the tank is not full, fill it up after the service. Fill the supply tool with BG Platinum air intake valve and combustion chamber cleaner. Caution. This cleaner will damage paint and certain plastic materials. Verify the BG AE01 intake adapter, part number E101-1357, is tightly attached to the supply hose. Locate the map sensor, remove it, and set aside. Insert the adapter into the map sensor port. Start the engine and allow the vehicle to warm up to operating temperature. Open the ball valve on the supply hose. Important. While performing the service, rev the engine, snap throttle quickly 3 times every 45 seconds. This will ensure that any cleaner accumulation has cleared. Warning. Failure to rev the vehicle during the service may result in engine damage. The adapter will administer 22 ounces or 650 milliliters of cleaner in 25 to 40 minutes, depending on the engine vacuum. When the supply tool is empty, close the ball valve and allow the engine to idle for 15 minutes. Add a second 22-ounce, 650 milliliter can of cleaner to the supply tool and open the ball valve. When the supply tool is empty, close the ball valve and turn the engine off. Remove the adapter and reconnect the map sensor. Immediately test drive the vehicle for at least 15 minutes to clear any residual product. Clear any codes that may have been set. Warning. Failure to test drive the vehicle after the service may result in engine damage.